Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing this stainless steel flat beater that I got for my Kitchenaid. It's a direct replacement for the one that comes with it. It's exactly the same, and it's made of polished stainless steel, and it's for Kitchenaid's 4.5 to 5 quarts. The tilt head stand mixers like this one that you see here. So this is really great. It works amazing. It goes all around. It mixes really well, and it's super easy to put on and off. You just spring it, twist, and that's it, and then take it off same way. So really great, easy to clean, and this will last you a really long time. I highly recommend them, especially for having, you can always have multiples at home. So if you're using different mixings, you don't have to wash between. You can just change it up, and that's it, you're ready to go. So highly recommend this product. Great, durable, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.